What changes someone's thinking? It takes an open mind and new information. Millions know that today's engineered and federally certified manufactured homes save people a lot of money versus slower conventional housing construction. However, among the top concerns expressed about manufactured homes are related to tornadoes, hurricanes, general quality and durability of construction questions. Let's start with some key facts. Those are the odds, 10 million to 1. On a typical year of someone dying because a tornado hit a mobile or manufactured home. On years with really high tornado counts, the odds are still something like 5 million to 1. To put it differently, you're about 16,000 times more likely to die from cigarette smoke, 1,800 times more likely to die in a car accident, about 70 times more likely to drown in your own bathtub. Also, please note that the number of people who die in conventional site-built constructed homes from tornadoes every year is about the same, and some years more than those who die in mobile or manufactured homes struck by tornadoes. There is no way to live a life without risks. Even a careful person driving or walking can be hit by someone else who isn't so careful. With manufactured homes, as with any other form of construction, the odds are millions to 1 in your favor. You are many times more likely to be struck by a lightning than dying from a tornado. Tornadoes are among nature's most devastating forces. A direct hit by a tornado can destroy any above-ground construction. What's far more likely, and thus of more concern to a homeowner, is what happens to a building or a home hit by sustained high winds. So the question is, how well are modern manufactured homes actually built? Let's take a look at the amazing facts. On May 16th and May 17th, 2001, Texas Tech University and the U.S. Department of Energy did an unusual field test. They brought in a C-130 aircraft to Reese Technology Center in Lubbock, Texas. A single-section manufactured home was properly installed, a home that was built to Wind Zone 1 standards. On both end and side wind tests, the home withstood sustained winds of up to 105 miles per hour for about 30 minutes. The single-section home didn't move. The structure suffered no damage, only the loss of some shingles and some other fascia trim that was loosened but wasn't lost. This test clearly demonstrates how durable today's properly installed and engineered manufactured homes truly are. Modern manufactured home performance in high winds can actually be superior to conventional residential construction. The facts are that it is usually older mobile homes and those not properly tied down or installed that suffer tragic losses. Frankly, the media doesn't do a very good job of making a distinction between an older mobile home and today's manufactured homes. By law, a manufactured home meets or exceeds the federal manufactured home construction standards that went into effect June 15th of 1976. These construction standards are also known as the HUD code. Sadly, you still hear or read some in the media use that worn out and incorrect name of trailer, even when the legal name of factory-built homes has been manufactured homes for decades. And in the pre-HUD code days, they were more properly known as mobile homes. Since 1976, the HUD code has gone through updates to its manufactured home construction standards. For example, improvements came about in 1994 when wind zone standards were established and enhanced. More recently, the Manufactured Housing Improvement Act of 2000 has further improved manufactured home installation, quality, and provided more consumer protection than before as well. A little common sense should help this discussion. Every manufactured home is first built and then transported. When it is transported, it is going about 60 miles per hour down the highway, and it can encounter winds of 20 to 25 miles per hour as it travels. This is like taking winds of up to 85 miles per hour, hour after hour, sometimes for 2 or 3 days. No doubt about it, today's manufactured homes are built tough. Let's take a few moments to look at the facts on the subject of hurricanes. As you may recall, in 2004, the state of Florida was hit by 4 different hurricanes. Billions of dollars in property damage and destruction resulted that year to all types of construction. Some 1,600 manufactured homes built to the federal wind standards of 1994 were also hit by those storms. How many were lost? None. Zero. Nada. How many were moved by the hurricane force winds? None. Zip. What was lost in these hurricanes were older mobile homes, as this dramatic side-by-side image demonstrates. So when you, a friend or loved one, are thinking about a manufactured home, don't worry, be happy. This is one of many reasons we at Pleasant Valley Properties tell people that today's federally certified and engineered manufactured homes truly are stronger, smarter, safer, stylish, and of course provide you with major savings. See for yourself. Call or stop in today and see what today's manufactured homes can do for you and your loved ones.